Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dani. I'm a brand designer and illustrator, and today we are going to design an accessory brand from scratch. So let's start and let's go to my studio. So first we'll need a name, and I was thinking about Jasmine, the Disney princess, because she looks like the girl who loves accessories. Like she has earrings, bracelets, and hair accessories, and I thought why not? Also, I designed a perfume brand inspired by Princess Aurora, and everyone loved it, so I thought why not do a Disney princess inspired brand again. So yeah, let's go with Jasmine. Since this is the made up brand and we don't have a client, I will be the client, and I want this brand to look sophisticated, minimalist, and fun. So those three things. The first thing I ask from my clients are Pinterest mood boards where we can collaborate, and I ask them to add fonts, logo ideas, packaging designs, and other design elements that they want to include in their logo or in their brand. I also ask pictures that has the same feel or vibe as their brand. I think mood boards are very essential for this design process because it gives the designer and the client the same vision. It gives us a direction on how to design this brand. So let's go to Pinterest and let's make a mood board. So I'm on Pinterest right now and I'm adding some stuff on my mood board, and I'm seeing a lot of things that reminds me of the desert. And since we're doing a brand for Jasmine, I was thinking of a desert type, and I also love the sparkly things. So we're gonna add those. We'll see. I'm really excited on what we're gonna make today. So I got all I need from Pinterest, and I'm just gonna save all the photos, and I'm gonna go to Illustrator and I'm gonna use my mood board template to make the actual mood board, and I'm also going to try and make the color palette. So yeah. Okay, so I think we have our mood board and our color palette. I didn't delete some of it because I want to go back to it because I might change up things if I didn't like how it goes. So I'm just keeping that for later. Okay, so next is we're going to decide on the fonts, and this is the hardest part, guys. The hardest part is always picking the last 2 to 3 fonts. I'm gonna go to Envato and find some fonts that I like, and let's see how it goes. So I got a bit carried away at Envato and downloaded a lot of fonts, not just for this brand but also for my future projects. So it took a lot of time, but now we're going back to our brand Jasmine. Okay, so now we're going to do our fonts for Jasmine, and I was thinking of doing Jasmine.co or Jasmine Collective, so it's not just Jasmine. So I'm done with picking our serif fonts, and I want to go and see what we have for sans serif because I always like partnering them up, and I want to see which one I want as the primary font. So I only got like 3 fonts from the sans serif ones. I do like the collective more because it's longer and it's easier to design rather than this, in my opinions. Wait, Jasmine sounds so nice because it reminds me of Tiffany & Co. Goodbye, Jasmine Co. We're gonna stick with Jasmine Collective. So we have AW Conqueror SDD Ditto. I don't know how to pronounce this. Looks like Times Roman. It's too simple for me, so yeah. Goodbye. Okay, brand looks so nice, but I know it's only a font that has uppercase. Change case. Oh, there's lowercase. Oh, no, there's no lowercase. Okay. Oh, this looks so nice though. I'm gonna put it up there. Just keeping that. Charming, decorative, regular. This is too thin though. The edges here, the curves, I mean. I don't know if I like it, and especially this L looks like an F. Can we see other glyphs? Do we have glyphs for this? L. Where's L? No, I don't think we can change this, so goodbye, maybe next time. We have giveaway. Ooh, this caught my eye the first time I saw it. I like it, but does it have a lowercase? Nope, no lowercase. But I really love it. I'm gonna put it there just in case. I really like the collective for this font, so I'm just gonna put it there and reserve it and go back to it later. This is Verdigris MVB Pro Big Bold. Big Bold. It's too bold for my liking, and for this brand, I don't think I want to keep it. It just doesn't have that vibe I'm looking for. So, goodbye. Next, we're going to sans serif fonts, and we have Domus Tilting. Ooh, every time I see Domus Tilting, I always pick Domus Tilting for my sans serif. It's not like I always pick it for the final ones, but it's always in the list. Maybe I can use Jasmine as another font and Collective as another font as well. Because these two are only uppercases and no lower cases, so I can use the uppercase for Collective. I might get a script font for Jasmine then if I want to stay with this uppercase Collective. Let's look at this first because we're not yet done. So next is Grow. I love this because they have this kind of sparkle thing. I did say that I want sparkles for this, but I can make it, and I don't really want this bold font, and I'm already in love with this, so I'm gonna say goodbye to this too. What's your name? Pottery Gifts Regular and Grow. I think Domus Tilting is also an uppercase only font. Let's see. Yeah, it's only uppercase, but I want either of the two to be the uppercase Collective, so goodbye Domus Tilting. Okay, let's look for script fonts. Okay, so we are left with 2 fonts each for script and serif fonts. I've decided Jasmine will be the serif font and Collective would be the script font because we want Jasmine to stand out and not the Collective, because Jasmine is the main name for the brand. And if you see the script from afar, it's not really visible, so we want Jasmine to be visible from afar. That's why we're gonna use script font for this one. I think I like this, but I don't like how the A and S are connected. So wait, let's see. Let's adjust the tracking. Okay, wait, let's see the glyphs. Cause I don't really like it together. Oh, the E is like this. Oh no, they have this too. Give me time to think. Wait. Okay, this is nice. I love this. It looks so nice already. Okay, so I decided to use brand for Jasmine, so goodbye giveaway. And then I want sign style for Collective, so goodbye aesthetic white. And we have our font. months. So I'm just gonna play around with this. I'm gonna make some logo ideas, patterns, and I'm also going to add the colors. Let's go. I'm done. Oh my gosh. So good. This looks so good. Looks very luxe though. Not that fun like I would want, but very sophisticated. It's minimalist. It works. Looks so nice. I love the colors. I love especially this one and this one. Like, okay, so it's already late, but I'm going to make some mock-ups tomorrow and I'm gonna finish everything. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.